Hey guys, it's Tom with Symbol Surfing. Welcome to another video. Today's video is about three stocks under $10 a share, and it's the international edition. These three companies have headquarters outside the United States. So the first one is Japan's second largest bank. The second one is Latin America's largest brewer, and they're located in Brazil. And the third one is a global IT services provider located in India. Okay, disclaimer is I am not a financial advisor, and this YouTube channel does not contain any kind of financial advice. All right, so stocks under $10 per share. This is a channel on symbol surfing. It's a premium channel, and we have 47 symbols right now, and they're sorted by market cap, high to low. I think market cap is a very important indicator. It's the size, the financial size of the company, and it's calculated simply by the number of shares outstanding times the stock price. And as I mentioned, there's some really good ideas on this channel, but I'm just going to go to the three that we talked about here already. Okay, so the first one, Japan's second largest bank, is SMFG. And I'm just looking at the 1 year chart and I'm noticing a few good things here. So they have on each of these earnings dates, I'm noticing the price is higher after each earnings date. And I think that's a bullish indicator. So I'm just going to connect those so we can see that real clearly. And so those are the four earnings dates. And since the most recent one, it's even higher. And the price is actually sitting right there above the 50-day moving average. So I'm going to point out why that might be important in a second. Also, we have a golden cross, which is a bullish chart pattern. So the moving averages cross, and this could signal a huge trend reversal, and in this case, a bullish breakout, which we've kind of already started to see. And then another thing I want to point out is this was a 52-week high at the time. And then since this golden cross and the earnings, the price kind of touched this 50-day moving average and was kind of going sideways along there. It might have been a good time to buy. And then the stock went higher and hit a new 52-week high, a couple of 52-week highs. And then there was profit taking, and it went back down to this 50-day moving average, went into this earnings higher, then after the earnings went even higher, and then it went and hit new 52-week highs, which is very bullish. There was a nice run right there. Then it kind of went sideways, and then it went out and started knocking out new 52-week highs higher and higher. And this is the most recent 52-week high up here. And then it sold off, which I believe is just profit taking. I mean, it's been on a great run here. I mean, from the golden cross, it was like maybe at under $6, and it went all the way up to almost $8. And so it sold off, and the price is sitting right here at that 50-day moving average again, which is kind of where the price was before each of the two previous runs. So that's why I think this is kind of an interesting time right now. By looking at the chart, I'm just seeing that's where the price is right now, and there's an earnings coming up. But I want to share this idea with you. Of course, do your own research, but I want to share this idea with you. So that's the first one. So that's Japan's second largest bank. Next up is Latin America's largest brewer, and they're located in Brazil. So let's scroll down to that one. And it's right here. It's ABEV. It's at $2.77 a share. It's a $43 billion company. So this one, the earnings are a little bit mixed here because they went high, low, and then high again. So I'll show you what I mean. So it went from this earnings went higher, and then from this earnings, it went lower, and then from this earnings, it went higher again. And then now it looks like it's a little bit higher, but not that much. So the first half of the year was a little conflicting, but the last two earnings, it's higher. And then also right now, the price is a little bit above the 50-day moving average, which is a good sign. We also have this golden cross here. And, previously in the year, there was these were the 52-week highs. And then after the golden cross, we hit new 52-week highs here. Of course, the price sold off, went through both moving averages, and even after this earnings, it went lower. Then it went back up through both moving averages, and it couldn't sustain that. And then it came down to the 200-day and bounced along that a couple times. And then now, most recently, we're above the 50-day moving average. So this one's kind of interesting. It has these recent highs, and it's sitting above the 50-day moving average right now. So definitely, if this one looks interesting to you, add it to your watch list or do some more research. So I wanted to share that one with you. and that's Latin America's largest brewer located in Brazil. And the third one is the global IT services provider located in India. So let's look at that one. Okay, here it is. It's WIT. It's at $6.72 a share, and the market cap is $36 billion. This one has a 121% return on the 1-year chart. Let's open this up, and these are the earnings dates. This is a really good looking chart. So earnings to earnings, I'm just going to connect these. So we're seeing higher highs here. And then most recently, it's just a little bit higher, but that's a nice run for sure, looking at those earnings to earnings. Also, we have a golden cross right here. So after this earnings date, the moving average is crossed. And but as that was happening, we were hitting new highs. And then it went sideways kind of towards the moving average and then started going higher again. Went sideways and then started going higher again. After this earnings, there was a sell-off, but the sell-off stopped right there at the 50-day moving average and bounced off and then just kind of trended along the 50-day moving average and then took off again into this earnings. And then basically there was some volatility, but it kind of has gone sideways since this most recent earnings. So this stock is definitely hitting new highs though still, but which is really bullish. But then most recently in the past 3 months or so, it looks like it's been in this channel between, let's say, $6 and $6.50. And so I just wanted to share that with you. And then also it looks like starting, maybe middle of February to now, we're seeing higher lows, which this could be what's called an ascending triangle, which is a bullish chart formation, which could indicate an upside move, especially with being at 52-week highs. That could lend more credibility to that as a chart pattern. So, and then also the price is above the 50-day moving average as well right here. So I wanted to share this one with you as well, WIT. All right, so that's the global IT services provider located in India. So those are my 3 stocks under $10, the international edition. The first one was Japan's second largest bank. The second one was Latin America's largest brewer located in Brazil. And the third one was a global IT services provider located in India. Guys, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Click subscribe for straightforward chart analysis and ring the bell so you get access to our latest videos. Thank you for watching.